It's a 2017 Cadillac ATS Coupe. A fiercely spirited performer with style to spare, this ATS Coupe is anything but ordinary. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Front heated leather sports seats. OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Automatic transmission. Magnetic fluid-filled shocks. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Dual zone climate control. Magnetic ride control automatic with driver control suspension management. Ultrasonic park assist. And V6 engine. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.